Hello and welcome to our Bitcoin technical analysis video on this Saturday morning, actually afternoon na. So it has been a week of downtrend so far on the lower time frames, no? Weekly is just rejection and then an engulfing one. Waterfall tawag natin dyan. So let's see where we will bounce. So our monthly support is at 45,000. That's also the bi-monthly. Yep, the bi-monthly is closing when? Closing this month. Okay. So we do have that. Um, we definitely don't want this to just go be a shooting star, no? Oh well, oh yeah, 45,000 support natin sa monthly. Weekly is same. 4-day is much higher, 47, which we just tested, I think, right now. Yep, we just tested it. 3-day is much lower, 46. Um, 46 rin sa 2-day. And then daily is pinakamababa, 44 to 45,000. So, what can we see here, no? First of all, 12 hour looks trying to find a bottom structure, no? Let's check out the lower time frames. Yeah. Let's turn on our moving averages. Yep. Getting rejected by the 12-hour simple. 4-hour pala. So trying to hold this yellow support that I have been na meron akong sobrang tagal na, no? Yeah, it's trying to hold the 10K. It's trying to hold 49,000. If it breaks 49,000, I would expect 48,000 retest, no? So I personally want to see 48,000 touch again because doon ako bumili pero binenta ko 50,200, no? Kahapon. I have no because I'm very sleepy na. So I want to see a retest of 48,000. Although if I don't get that, I would expect it to tag around 52,000. Kung maybe even this weekend, no? If it does breaks that, that's when we can say na, oh, we might bounce actually in the 12-hour and the daily. And then we can look for a poke of the midline cloud while testing the EMA cross sa daily, no? Yep, maybe the daily 10 around 55 to 56,000, no? So here's our thing, 53 to 52,500. 52,500 to 53 to 54K, yun yung next. If that breaks 55,000 to 56,600, that's our short-term analysis. If those breaks, pero matagal pa yun. We're just saying, we definitely, tawag dito, we did close above the 89 EMA and then the cloud, no? However, pataas ang pataas to. So, the pressure is on the bulls sa buyers na i-defend tong cloud. I do think kung mapoke man natin to, mag-close tayo dito below on a weekday. On a weekday ba? Or i-exemption ko na rin weekend. If we close here on a weekend, actually in a weekday, mas gusto ko weekday. Medyo sure ako na babagsak siya to 45,000. However, Bitcoin Korean 1 did print a hammer candle, no? But did close below the 89. But mas important sa akin cloud. So mas mas bottomish yung nasa ano, no? Tayo dun sa US dollar. So if we do lose this cloud, I would eventually look for move to 44,000, 45K basically. And then 39,000 kung hindi mag-hold yung 45,000. That's also our weekly 21 where everyone is looking for it. There are levels that I am looking at other things such as it's also the 2-day. Yeah, 39,000 and 45,000 talaga eh. In fact, that's what everyone is looking for. And when everyone is looking for it, um, we most likely will shoot through it in a straight one, or just like what happened here, trying to defend this low. Um, we might get it around the daily 200 EMA. Okay, so two major level buys for me. So this green box and then this green box. Yep. Although you can buy here, but I mean, there's no point. Kasi ako medyo marami na akong holding ng Bitcoin, no? It's just 20% regular pullback if it defends here. I still consider it as a shakeout, not a full reset. A full reset for me is itong 45,000 talaga and 39. Further than this, no, we can see that we do have the 30K level, and then the midpoint of it. Where's the midpoint of, yeah, the 34,000? Doon rin nakabili si Elon Musk around those levels, no? So, but worst case scenario for me muna is 38K talaga. 38,600. Um, Other than that, as long as we are defending this key June at 10 ginwala, I would not look for a move to 48,000. It is looks like it want to test the top side again. If it does breaks that, I'll be looking for a move to the 4R21, which is synonymous to the top of the thin cloud. This is why I like the cloud, no? Medyo thin siya. And then, which signifies na pwede ka mag-breakthrough. I was looking at this actually, and then we defended the cloud, the red cloud, no? So yeah, double top pa nga dito. I would be looking for another test around here, formally testing that 15-minute 200 moving averages. If it gets above there, we will have a 15-minute cloud switch. Confirmed, punta tayo sa 4R21 and 4R10kin. And then, from there, we'll see if mag-reject ulit tayo. Pasok ba tayo sa cloud? Play this out. Range tayo between 52,500 and 50,000. That would defend the one-day cloud, no? If we do that. And that would be very bullish for alts. And potentially set up for a daily rally. First target is 56,000, 55K to 56,000. And then maybe a gap fill, no? And then potentially make a lower high on the weekly. Potentially gap fill sa CME. Because we do have a runaway gap at 61,000, 60K. And in fact, looking at CME, we did defend the key June. The red line here, no? Not even touching the 10 SMA. The 89 EMA and the green cloud. So that's it for Bitcoin. I want to check my altcoins. Let's see here. I do have BNB still. This one is one of the stronger ones, still defending the daily 21 EMA and still ranging. We clearly have a resistance here at 4R21 at around 530. If we do break that, I would look for a 570 test. No. Otherwise, for me, it's just ranging between 470 and 530. Harmony, bumili lang ako kagabi. Ending stake ko, no? I bought around this 10kin on the 4 hour. So yeah, dito ako bumili. And I am up 8%. Pero maliit lang yung binili ko din. I'm hoping this could turn around because this is actually in the weekly 21, no? Which is the support of all bull market for Bitcoin. Hindi ko alam sa ads, pero for Bitcoin, that's very a big major buy. Dapat nga binili ko nito sa bottom pa eh. Pero from here just to the prior all-time high is just 100%. So It's very big for me. And if we do have continuation, just imagine how big the continuation is. 1.618 is 0.32, and that's around 3x from here. Yeah, 200%. So yun lang, malaki ng ano no. And if this can actually go to $1, sana. Sana. Maybe by end of the year. Let's see. I'll be holding it for that term. My Elrond, ay nako, still looks very weak to me. What is it doing here? What are you doing? What are you doing? Um, no matter what Bitcoin do, I don't think it's going to take out $100 anyway. Um, it looks droppy on the short-term time frame. Maybe retest ng 89 EMA ulit. Yep, actually nasa 12 hour pala to. Yung play nito, no? 12 hour 200. I would, so we clearly have a downtrend, no? Remove ko na muna since di pa naman kailangan yung Fibonacci extension. When this downtrend ends, it's obviously it's going to end, no? Yeah, this is actually a bullish pattern anyway, without a meltdown trying to cascade. I would get out here on the bounce. I'm actually trapped on this high. Or actually, it may be a cap in. Ugh, nakapa-handle yan. I don't know. I don't know. I absolutely do not know. All I know is that we have to defend these lows. Yep, defend that low at $115 approximately, 116, 110 actually, and it's not going to break down without that. Let's see cake. Cake is my favorite. It did not even Bitcoin did dump a lot. Parang ito wala lang nangyari. Still hammering the highs. Uptrending. 4 hour uptrending. Weekly going to close as another higher high engulfing. Monthly going to close good. Bi-monthly. If it goes above this week. Everything is good about cake now. As long as it's holding $22, it's very good. $22 breaks, I'll be getting that out na. I don't want to deal with it anymore. So, Cardano, wow, Cardano is trying to recover. Wow. Going to test the death cross on the 4 hour. Interesting. I'm still underwater here, but I need to get out. So I'll probably get out on this maybe soon. And then I'll probably just reposition higher when I see it. I want to see how ADA BTC is doing. Okay, it's very different picture. Interesting. Wow. Cardano USD might have just shaken out a lot of people, including me. I mean, nasa position pa rin ako, pero I have to stick to my rules and I have to close it. But if I see this Cardano breaks the daily level here, I'll just get back in. There's no point in trying to be. Yeah, so let's get back to ADA USDT. Ano ba nangyari dito? Well, this could easily be a rally and a trap, no? Hirap naman mag-manage. Sige, ma-manage ko na lang sa 4 hour. I'll probably get out from this mga 1.2, 1.20. Hindi pa siya nare-reject. Nare-reject na ba? Hindi. Maybe around 1.20 ma-reject. Tingnan natin. I'll use the 1 hour 200 SMA. I want a break and then a retest. Maybe. Somewhere around there would be a useful retest as well. Everything is in line with the 1.30, let's say just 1.3 to 1.2 congested resistance dati let's say na itong buong block na to is a major resistance. In fact, the 4 hour cloud is thin pa, no? So it's saying that this moving averages resistance are not that strong actually. itong red box na to, I want this cleared. I want this cleared and then retested before I get back to my position. Yeah, clear lang to. But from the lows, kung nakabili kayo nung 30% up agad kayo. Solana, oh man, very strong from Solana. I'll have to close my head short now, I think. Cause I think I have to close my head short. I did short the top around here at around 39.3. I have to close that. I have 1 inch because I did stake this. And now it's back to the low of the range. And I feel dumb playing this actually. Well, anyway, I think it's gonna defend the lows. So si Polkadot also defending the 1 day cloud. Oh man, these guys are trying to V bottom. Okay, si Polkadot may death cross siya. So I'll try to reposition this as well. Ito yung biggest loss ko actually eh. Hindi na ako nakaalis. Okay, so what do we do? I do think a daily rally is inbound. At least a daily bounce. Cause to the daily 21 maybe. $36 yun, no? 35, 36. Si Link. Link is actually still fine. The USD chart on Link is looking bad because of Bitcoin. Maybe I should reposition here as well. We did get the 4R21 nano. So yeah. Masyado pang congested yung mga, and wala pang clear yung chart except Cake, I think, sa mga alts natin, and Solana, and BNB. Yeah, those are the strong one. Cake, BNB, Solana. So let's just wait for a clearer setup. I wanna check out some, ano ba nangyari? Si K-Unicorn. Wow, defending daily 21. This still looks good. 2-day pala yun, sorry. 55 din ang defend niya. Data. Did data test the weekly 21? Okay, weekly 10 SMA. Hard chart rin eh. Puro hard chart. So LRC, laki na binagsak. Algo. AVAX. Some just looks bad. Hindi ko nga si Dogi. Dogecoin. Dogecoin is good. For 21 tests. For 1 day 21. XRP. 4R200 moving averages. We did close above. Tagal pa mag-breakout pa mga tayo. So, probably ang target ko lang ngayon is to get out of my underwater long positions and reposition na lang. I think we're falling down right now, right? Yep. Exchange perp looks good. Wow. I might just long this. SNX, Ave, all looks bad. Matic looks good, pagkaalala ko, no? Yeah. Matic looks good. The same with Comp, I think. Yeah. Again, no clear chart. I mean, this is a breakout retest if you want, but I don't trust it. Wala talaga akong makitang madaling chart. Bitcoin is making it hard. Bitcoin is the easiest one of the moment. As of the moment, I think at USDT as well. It's very strong. Yep, I converted my Bitcoin to Ethereum yesterday. I'm up there a bit, but not yet much. So as you can see, Ethereum is holding its lows. So 4 hour. 2,100 is a must defend. I think that's all for now, no?